of central Texas, western Hopkins County, and northeast Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Greenville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and tennis ball size hail. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Greenville, Malinville, Campbell, Lone Oak, Gumby, Brasher, and Sulphur Springs. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 93 and 129. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Texas. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Hunt and Hunt.